Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have the GenMaX GM12000ED. This is a 12,000 watt dual fuel generator with 10,000 watts starting on fuel, pump gas, and 9,000 watts starting on propane. So you get dual fuel, 12,000 watts starting, 10,000 watt running, open frame generator. I'm going to open it, get it out of the box, and show you exactly what's inside. Okay guys, there it is. The GM12000ED dual fuel open frame generator, 10,000 watts starting on gas, 9,000 watts starting on propane. Let's get a little closer look. There you go. You have your 12,000 watts. Let's come over here. 10,000 watts starting on gas, 9,000 running, 9,000 starting on propane, 8,000 running on propane. Come over here. You have your start switch. So you hit that to start it. Your main breaker, hit that up and off. Timer right here. Has USB. You get 420 volt plug, one 3-pin twist lock, 30 amp, one 4-pin twist lock, 30 amp, and you got the big boy over here, the 50 amp RV plug. So you get 240 volt out of this one. All your breakers down on the bottom right here for each plug. Your ground, battery on the bottom. This is where you put your oil. Open frame, so you have nothing to take out to maintain this. Here's your propane inlet and your choice, your fuel selector. This thing has a 10.5 gallon tank. Okay, and it also has CO monitor. So if you put this inside somewhere, you're not supposed to have it inside, outside only, guys, it will shut itself off. Okay, and the hour timer. Air filters over here on this side. It does have a pull start. You can see this really large 458cc engine. All right. Open frame. There's your muffler on this side. Take another look around. Your exhaust over here. All right, guys. We're gonna get some oil in this. When you get this generator, you have to put the handle and the tires on. I already went ahead and did that just to save some time. And let's put some oil in it and get it started. Do a DB test. Let's see how loud it is. Also, guys, generator comes with its manual, propane hose, and your tools, spark plug tool. Okay, guys, we're gonna come over here. So you have your battery right here. The only thing you need to do is find the battery cable. You're gonna connect it right here. So you just connect your batteries and open right here. Put some oil. We're gonna use it. We're gonna be using 1030. Put some oil in this. Let me get the oil inside. We'll be right back. Okay, guys, get your oil cap on. Connect your battery. Get this connected. There you go. Tuck this in. That's all you have to do. Get your oil on. Connect your battery. Choose your propane or gas. We're going to run this on propane. We're going to do a quick DB test. Next time, we're going to be testing this thing. See exactly what it does. I'm going to put some hours on it before we do the load test. Okay, guys, we got it out. We're going to do a quick DB test. Propane's hooked up. Got the tank over here. I have the propane hose. Let's go ahead and open the tank. Come over here. You choose propane. And then you go to start. Okay, guys, took a little time. Get the air out of the hose. Let's step back 23 feet. I already got it marked off. Right here. 66.7. Remember guys, this is open frame. You have no eco mode. It's gonna run wide open. Running on propane. It is an open frame. All right, guys, I just want to show you a quick comparison of the 3500, the 6000, and the 12,000 GenMax open frame generators. All right, real quick comparison. You can see this is the 3500 XI, the 6000 XIE, and you have the 12,000 ED dual fuel. Pull start and key start. Just want to show you guys what they look like so you can see the size difference. You see it? Okay guys, if you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Hit that thumbs up button. Hit that subscribe button, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Guys, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.